Yeah, I like it when my legs are crossed. Can I cross my legs? And you just sit up here on the top. Okay? There you go. How is everybody? Mr. Oakley's getting his one-on-one time. And there's Kiwi, and there's Newman. Everyone's chill. Because Coco's not here. She's at the vet. Oh, I hear someone tippy-toeing. Who's tippy-toeing? Who's tippy-toeing? Think it's Rue? Your yelling partner? Huh? We're just chilling. I gotta leave in 25 minutes to go pick up Coco Monster. She's been at the vet's all day getting her blood work. They were probably really busy. So we're just chilling. I should be doing dishes, sweeping floors, picking up buttons. Right? We should be picking up buttons. See how happy he is? He always fluffs up when he's sitting on my lap. Just like the happiest guy in the world. Are you happy? See your sticky face? That's medicine face. We need to clean that. Okay? We'll get up the nerve to clean the face, okay? Coco's good. She's just at the vet's getting blood work. I feel like she's like way better. Yeah, it's going to be New Year's Eve tomorrow night. We'll find out how Coco is. She'll be tired because she was at the vet's all day. Right? You're tired. You get tired all the time, don't you? You and Rue yelling back and forth at each other. Coco's fine. She's just at the vet getting blood work. We'll see how she did. Who's had their lap time today? You have? Newman has. Rue has not. And you have not yet. And Sid has not. Hi. Hi. Are you saying hi to all your new friends? Hi. Say hi. Hi, friends. He's such a funny guy. Rue, come out here. Yes, when you dropped off your birds, they ask how they're doing. Yeah, well, she's been just like totally up to shenanigans. You've seen her. We got another hello over there. Hello. Who's squawking? Rue. That's her. She wants to come out. Hi. Rue, you can come out. I can't get up. This guy's a little slippy. He's too slippy for me to get up. Yeah. He eats like a piggy too. I don't think there'll be a problem with his weight. She'll probably say, he's eating too much. All I know is arthritis. All I know is he's on gabapentin. Right? Are you going to say hello? 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 Hi. I hear some clicking. Yeah. I'm really good with these kind of birds, aren't I? Yes. The special sweet ones I'm really good with. Like Cookie, right? Here's the mushy Cookie. He's the mushy Cookie. He's squishy. Don't you guys think he's squishy like Cookie was? Rue? Rue? Do you want to come out? One of you guys here, I noticed, has a red-fronted macaw. Yeah. Barney does. All those birds do. All the birds that came from the refuge had heart problems. I mean, he died already. He's not permanent until the vet says he's permanent. Right? I just borrowed you for Christmas. You look like a Christmas tree, right? Yeah. He is squishy, isn't he? Do you think he has a squishy? Do you think he can have a squishy name? Rue, why don't you come out with us? She's yelling at me. Cookie was the squishy. Do you think we can say he's squishy or no? Do you think we should keep squishy for Cookie? You're my Cookie replacement, aren't you? You can't replace Cookie, but you can get pretty close. I don't know what the vet. I think she'll be able to tell what his wishes are. Are you gonna tell the doctor that you want to come stay with me? Huh? Am I gonna be signing papers that say that you're mine? Do you think she'll let me? Huh? A Christmas olive, that's right. A Christmas olive. No, you don't like me petting that way. This way. Yeah. He likes this better. Listen, I'll listen what she says back to me when I yell at her. Rue, do you want to come out here? She's ranting. Rue, are you gonna get jealous? You guys want something to eat? So what's been going up with you guys? Does anyone have any plans tomorrow night? Yeah, Rue is noisy. You don't need to tell me twice. He's working on getting me trained. I think he's working pretty hard at training me, aren't you? Way smaller than Kiwi. See? Or half the size, I think. Half the size. Yeah, maybe 2/3 the size. No, half the size. I hope so too. He's really cute. Are you really? Hi. Are you gonna say hi to your friends? Hi. And Izzy, she's having a rough day today. There he is. She was flipping, flopping. Coco's at the vet. She's getting blood work done, so I'm just waiting for her to leave. I've got 14 minutes before I have to leave. Rue, why don't you come out here? She knows, she hears me talking, and she's yelling. She starts yelling when she hears me talking. Should we go sit in the bird room? Keep her company for a minute? Just to keep her quiet? Here. Did you know a lot of macaws like stepping up backwards? Hold on, sweetie. He doesn't like being carried. It's very unstable, isn't it? I gotcha. Should we sit with Rue? Let's move the garbage. See, it's cozy. You got your bed all set up. Tonight I'm going to video him getting into bed. It is so cute. There we go. Now we don't have to. So you guys don't really have any big plans other than eating. Neither do Brad and I. I'll probably go to bed. I'm kind of glad. I don't like waking up hungover. You'll be at a neighbor's party? Oh, let's turn that radio off, hey? I'll turn it on when I go to pick up Coco. It's okay. You don't know what you're wearing to the living room? Stay in with your favorite snacks. I wonder if I should make a special dinner. Should we make a special dinner? Maybe we'll make that halibut. It was very good. But we had salmon last night. You'll be at a party? Well, I guess a few of you are going out to party, eh? You're sick again? I'll have to stay up till midnight, won't I, Oakley? Actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm probably going to fall asleep on the couch till midnight. If you can't wear pajamas, it's not a party. You'll be watching hockey. Is there good hockey on? Is that Juniors still on? I've been plagued with a headache all day. Must be your grandkids, Lisa, bringing all the cooties to your house. One of you has a red-fronted macaw. Yeah, they are. They're pink. No, the skin is pink. I don't know if that's normal. Paul, Michelle, Puffer, it's on it'll be on the phone. Yes, Oakley's here for a little bit until, we decide to adopt them. Oh, people are sick at work? Is it just a nasty cold, or is it, like, really a bad one? Yeah, how did I get so lucky to get chosen for this guy? How did I get so lucky? How come she chose me? Huh? Maybe it'll turn out to be a real nightmare. Huh? Maybe this is the honeymoon phase, and you'll start acting like a bad, bad boy. What do you think? She does kind of talk back. Maeve, are you going out for New Year's? You're watching on your computer? Oh, okay. You don't see her on right now. Sore throat. I've been lucky I haven't been sick. She wants to sit with me. You'll push him off. Don't be bossy, okay? He loves to go into his cage and eat all his yummy food, doesn't he? He inhales those pellets, too. Motion in my living room. Are you a bad boy? She has beautiful birds. I think she's slowly rehoming them. The ones that live at the clinic, slowly finding homes for them. Oh, your husband's healthy? That's good. You're celebrating in your house? Fred and I have this bottle of champagne we've had since we moved here. And we might drink that. I don't know. Champagne gives me such a headache. I don't want to waste a day. What? You better not be like Floyd. You better not. You better not be. Are you going to be like Floyd? He used to be my boss. I used to work for Floyd. Am I going to have to start working for you now? Because I don't need it. I don't need another boss. See his foot. He does his tappy tap. You can't do champagne. What else is going on? I miss Jensa and the kids. They were here. The house is just like chaos and just stuff everywhere. It's just you notice when they're not here. I don't think you better sit on my lap, honey. Better scoot over. 6 days in the hospital. What are you doing? What are you doing? We don't have to start doing rough things with you, like giving you baths and doing your nails, huh? What are you going to do when I do that? I gave him medicine through a syringe, and I felt so bad because he did not like that. Am I going live tomorrow? I don't, probably. I've been pretty consistent. I've been really focused lately. The last 3 days, I've been so focused. I had lost my focus for about a month. And then something clicked, and I just started focusing on my job. Wow, you're busy. You're busy, Paula. Yeah, walking on the floor, I put him here in the morning when he wakes up, and he walks. Takes him a while, but he makes it out to the kitchen. He doesn't really like walking. Do ya? Tap, tap, tap. Thank you, Bonnie. You're ordering pizza? We had pizza? Okay, Rue. I'm here. Hi. Anyways, there was this pizza I really liked, and when I was really sick, it was pretty much the only pizza I could stomach. So I'd go get a piece of pizza, and I said to Brad, I'm so sick of turkey. Can we just get a pizza tonight? I said, let's go to that pizza. Let's get the pizza place. Let's go to that pizza place. We'll try that pizza. And so I ordered it, and it was like extra large. You get half off the second pizza. But it still was expensive. So then we were eating it, and Brad says he didn't like it. And you know when someone doesn't like something, then suddenly you don't like something? That's kind of what happened. Now I don't like that pizza either. Oakley, do you not like me? He didn't like me the first day or so. Yeah, Coco's going to be so tired. So Coco's at the vet right now. Coco's at the vet right now, so she's getting her blood work, and I have to leave in a couple minutes to go pick her up. So we'll see how she is. She's probably going to be really tired. I should probably make some mash before I go. And then she can eat it in the car on the way back. Should we make some mash? Hey, don't be like that. That's not nice. That was really rude. People have owned this type of parrot always say how much they love them. His eyes get all dreamy. I'm going to have to put you in your cage, though. What are you up to? She's trying to break into Newman's cage and Coco's cage. Okay, guys, I gotta go. We gotta go pick up Coco. We gotta go pick up Coco. Beth, I saw that link you sent me, but I can't click it while I'm live. So I'm gonna go back and click it and see what you sent me. Oh no, I would never not like an animal because of Brad, would I? Brad's still learning to love. So anyways, good night, everyone. Have a good night, and we'll see you New Year's Eve. I'll let you know how Coco's visit went tomorrow morning. Yeah. Good night, everyone.